Oh, hey, come on in the Yacht Club. Okay, first, closet number one, because there's more than one. This one has lots of hanger space. We also have storage up here, storage down here, more storage down there. And then over here, we're just gonna take a look. So we have the do not disturb button. You can turn that on. And there's a light outside that says do not disturb, or please make up room. Another light outside. Okay, lights for the room. Come on, see our balcony Yacht Club room. So this is for our suitcases. Once our suitcases are here, so we can put them up on the bed and unpack. We also have the option, if we want, our butler will unpack our bags. I don't think we're gonna pick that, but if we wanted it, it's there. We also have a bench. What cruise room has a bench for activities? All right, I feel like every person, coffee machine, although we can also have coffee delivered in the morning if we want to. And then everything in the mini bar in here is free. So we can eat this without worrying about a cost later. So much counter space. Haven't opened this yet, but we get these each day. Daily program, excursion guide, drawer, laundry bag. I think the laundry service still costs, but we also can get some of our stuff steamed and pressed if we need it for free. Hair dryer, also more drawer space. All right, bedside number one. Book light that we can move around. Another side light. No USB. We can also turn the lights. No, not seeing any plugs. Not seeing any plugs, but this also turns all the lights on and off, so we can do that from bed. A couple drawers. Bed, which is memory foam. King size memory foam bed. Same deal over here. Drawers, light switches, shelves, decor. All right, then we have more storage. Over here, this is fun. We have tea, afternoon tea. Lots of different options. And then let's say you order a glass of liquor or wine, champagne, ice bucket, and you can also request that that's filled every day. And some more storage under there. Then we have the mini bar. And like I said, all this stuff is included, so we don't have to worry about drinking any of this and having a cost. So we can also request what we want in here. So we'll probably change out some of that for like maybe a different kind of beer or different sodas. But again, everything is included. We have notepads. That's the remote with a case. All right, and now we have closet number two. This one also has our robes, which is my personal favorite part. Slippers, shoe bag, and then drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Safe, which we use religiously, and then we have more storage up here. So lots of storage space. Then, welcome to our living room. We have a couch, a table, again, the shelves, another, which we keep it on all the way down. Now let's go see our huge balcony. And it is a beautiful day in Miami. So much room for activities. I mean, I could do a full-on workout out here. 2 chairs and a table. I'm afraid that we will never go back to the not Yacht Club life. It's also a perfect day outside. Look at all those people not on a cruise ship right now. It's a good time to be us.
Ready.
Can't forget the bathroom. Let's go. All right. So much space to walk through. Okay, this bathroom is huge. Look at the floors. marble floors, lots of counter space, 2 shelves. We also have lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, but we also have that in the shower too. So lots of counter space, sink. This is a makeup mirror, toilet. Check out the shower. It's huge. And we even have a seat in here. So much bigger than the rest of the ship. Loving it. It's going to be a great 7 nights and 8 days.